Hello everyone, welcome back to Opportunity. In this today's video, we are diving into an exciting opportunity at CoinDCX, which is one of the India's leading cryptocurrency platform. So they are hiring for the role of business analyst intern. So if you are someone who loves the data analytics and problem solving, this might be a just dream role for you. So we are going to discuss all the details about this internship. So what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, and what are all the day-to-day responsibilities are there, how you can apply. Each and everything are discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where we'll get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about the role. So CoinDCX, it is a major player in the crypto world. It is looking for an intern to support their data-driven business decisions. So as a business analyst intern, you will work closely with the stakeholders, collecting and as well as analyzing the data, which is provide the insights that shape the company strategies also. Sounds exciting, right? So let's get what this role is all about. Now let's talk about the key responsibilities that you will be doing as a business analyst intern. So you will collaborate with the stakeholders to gather and document the business requirements, assisting in the collecting and analyzing the data to create the actionable insights, and that you will develop and enhance the dashboards for the performance tracking, and also you will conduct the market research and the competitive analysis to inform the strategy as well, and also will support the PR, investor relations, legal and compliance teams with the data requirements as well, and also will set up the anomaly detection alerts and prioritizing the incident management too also. It is a role that blends the technical skills, analytical skills, and also strategic thinking as well. So what you will need, let's talk about the CoinDCX that for whom they are looking for, like who are pursuing or recently graduated with a degree in the business, economics, computer science or related field, and have a strong analytical and the problem solving skills, and you would have a proficiency in the Microsoft Office tools, especially Excel, PowerPoint, and also you have experience with the SQL and also understanding the database concepts also, and also you have a knowledge of Python for the data analytics or automation. It is preferred in this role. Familiarity with the Power BI tools like Tableau or Power BI, and strong attention to the detail, excellent communication skills, experience with the analytical tools, or you don't have a certification in the analytical skills. It is a very bonus thing in this role. Now, why this role is exact? So, it is an internship that will stand out you where you will gaining some of the hands-on experience in the fast-paced growing cryptocurrency industry, where you will work with the cutting-edge analytical tools with the methodologies. You will also collaborate with the experts in the PR, investor relation, and also compliance as well. You will also enhance your skills in SQL, Python, BI tools, and also product analytics. This is a chance to build a strong foundation for the career in the data analytics or a business strategy as well. Now, the main part, that is how you can apply for this. It is very simple. The link in the description box, and click on that link, you will get redirected to this page, and you can simply press on apply now button. You can apply for this role. So make sure your resume highlights the skills in analytical, SQL, Python, and BI tools, and also have a relevant projects or certificates. So it is better thing in this role. Hurry up! Applications are open now, and opportunities like this don't wait for anyone. So what are you thinking about this internship? Share your thoughts in the comment below, and if you know someone who might be interested, and don't forget to share this video with them. So before you go, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more opportunities. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.